Life is a combination of a million moments in time. The overwhelming majority of those moments are mundane and immediately forgotten. Some of them, however, boldly stand out in our own story. Moments of beginning and moments of completion. Moments of success and moments of failure. Moments of joy and moments of pain. Moments that shape us and moments that change us. Moments that guide us and moments that define us. For Rolling Thunder game calls, September the 17th was a defining moment. It was the completion of a tedious construction project that tested the flexibility, the resolve, and the resilience of our entire team. It was the beginning of a new chapter in our story as we opened the doors of our new shop to the public. A beautifully renovated 20-plus-year-old metal building, an 11,000 square foot manufacturing facility, complete with a showroom, a sporting goods store, and a lounge. And it was magical. People came from all over the country. North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, and South Carolina were well represented. It was a celebration of where we've come from and a launching point for where we're going. It was a connection with our customers and a chance for them to experience our brand like never before. It was a celebration of our vision and an invitation to dream about where we're going. September the 17th was a big moment. I hope our team always remembered what it felt like. I hope we remember where we came from and the work it took to get there. I hope we never forget how this place used to look, how it used to smell, and all of the places that it leaked. We've been resilient and flexible. We've encountered obstacles and we refuse to give up. The same hustle it took to get us here is the same hustle and cooperation we have to expect from one another every day if we intend to continue advancing our brand. It's not luck. It's a commitment to excellence. It's a dedication to our craft and the drive to continue improving every day. So today we celebrate a momentous day, an opening of grand proportions, and we enjoy the truth that a thing accomplished is sweet to the soul. But tomorrow we go back to work.